Hello. So I'm getting ready for bed, even though it's late. I got these new face products in. Three of them are new anyway. Um, so I'm going to demonstrate me using them, although I used them earlier today. And y'all see how shiny my face is. I just went to the grocery store and cooked dinner. So I am combination skin, but in the warmer months, I'm very oily. So I'm going to show y'all how I use these products. So I got this set up so y'all won't be seeing all my business because I got on a tank top that's kind of see-through, but I'll be back. So the first soap I'll be using, I didn't come back and do a review on this. I just wanted to try it for a bit before I did. This is the Beekmans face soap. I did show when I unboxed it. And it comes 3 for $22 on HSN. My mom told me about this soap, or this soap and the brand or whatever, and it comes in a big block, so I've been using this like every day as my soap. And so this thing will last forever, you know. I do wash my face every day. In the morning I just, rinse my face off because I wash it every night, after I work out and I shower. I would say this soap is good for all. It's made with goat's milk, and it's good for all face types. But if you're dry, you probably, I don't know, I can't even say if you're dry, you probably wouldn't like this because my water is hard here, and I think my water softener stopped working. I think it's broke because it's not using the soap. So it's really hard now. So I noticed like I'm oily on my nose and forehead, and I'm dry around my cheeks, maybe the bottom of my nose, weird, right? And probably, well, not now, but mostly on my cheeks. Let me rinse this off. So I rinse my face off. And now I'm going to use this. Now, I really like this. I just got this in today. They debuted this on QVC, Beekman. And it's their, they said it's a body foaming, a gentle foaming body cleanser. But it's so gentle you can use it on your face as well. And it's basically an oil that turns into a foam cleanser. Now, this is too small. It's 8 ounces for me to use on my body. But it's fragrance free, and it's pure goat milk wish wash, they call it. And like I said, it's an oil that turns into a cleanser. And the ingredients are soybean oil, castor seed oil, goat milk, sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, jojoba seed oil, sweet almond oil, metaphone seed oil, avocado oil, vitamin E, and then in between that is diethylexyl sodium, something laurel 4. That's the only thing I can't pronounce, but I did try it earlier and it was very nice. Like, my skin was so soft. And again, it turns into an oil, so all you need is like 2 pumps. I'm gonna try to see, maybe even 1, but I use 2. So let me rub it into my hand. So as you can see, it's clear. And once you hit it with water, it foams up, and it's a gentle foam. And I did, again, use it earlier, and I was like, wow, this is really nice and softening. And the reason why I use this after I use the regular soap, because this is, it just takes everything off your skin, which I like, but it's not harsh. I will say that it's not harsh, but it does take everything off your skin. So I do notice again in my dry areas like my cheeks and the bottom of my nose, um, it is ashy, but then again, that could be because my water is hard and I think my water softener stopped working. So let me take this off and then I'm gonna go to the next step. So now I'm gonna brush my teeth before I go to the next step. I have to gargle with this Medicaid, what you call that stuff, wash, mouth rinse. Y'all know I just got my tooth extracted, bone grafted, and then an implant post put in about 2 weeks ago. This is what I brush my teeth with. This EcoDent Daily Care Baking Soda tooth powder, and I do like it. It's $10, but it lasts you forever. I think I had this thing for over a month. And I also normally use their mouthwash too. It's very good, but right now I cannot use it. I have to use this until it's all gone. So next I'm gonna use this, oh, my face feels pepperminty. I'm gonna use this little black mask by Beekman. This is my first time using any of this except for the bar soap. So it says, apply to a generous layer over entire face and neck, avoiding the eyes, allow to dry completely, 15 minutes. Gently rinse or towel off to prep your skin with this treatment before a night out in your favorite little black dress. So this is what it looks like. I'm hoping this is not all cloudy and stuff. This is what it looks like. It's black. It's like a charcoal. So I'm gonna put this on and I'll be back. But I can read the things later. So I was able to use just what was on the cap with this. But it's basically a charcoal face cleaner. And the ingredients are water, kaolin clay, I'm thinking glycerin, magnesium, silicate, cetyl alcohol, grapeseed oil, black mud, aloe vera leaf juice, Argania spinosa kernel oil, avocado oil, ceteris 20 charcoal powder, methyl glucate 20, polysorbate 80, squalene, goat milk, hydroxypropyl something, cyclodextrin, tripeptide 38, leucine, lysine, HC1, olive fruit oil, calendula, flower extract, chamomile, rasuta extract. It says matris caria flower extract, grapefruit seed extract, phospholipids, retinols, palmitate, pantothenic acid, ascorbyl palmitate. Normally I wouldn't read this mess to y'all. Xanthan gum, something. Y'all could go on to Beekmans site or QVC or whatever to see all the ingredients. So I'm gonna leave this on my face for 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back in with these milk drops. It's a serum. It's packaged so cute. It comes in this bag, and this is the box that it comes in. And then after that, I'm going to use my Marla Renee oil that I have to go over it, because again, I used these milk drops earlier when I washed my face and it just wasn't oily enough. for me on my cheek and dry areas, for me to just use that as a you know, moisturizer or to top it off. So I'll be back.